Imagine this for a second. What if you never had to appear in front of the camera again, but your audience still saw you, heard you, and even watched you making natural gestures? That is no longer science fiction. Today, artificial intelligence allows you to create videos that look exactly like you, sound exactly like you, and feel as if you recorded them in person. This is not about using a cartoon avatar or a stock actor. This is about creating a digital twin that actually looks like you. And the best part is that you can do this step by step without needing expensive equipment or technical skills. In this guide, I am going to break it down for you, from creating your AI avatar to syncing your voice, and finally generating a complete video that feels real. So if you have ever wanted to multiply yourself, scale your content, or simply save hours of camera time, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how. Step 1. Understanding AI videos that look like you. Before we get into the steps, let us understand what this technology actually is. An AI video that looks like you is created using three main components. AI avatars. These are digital models trained to look like a specific person. Voice cloning. This allows the AI to speak with your real voice, matching your tone and style. Text to video technology. This connects everything together, making your avatar speak and gesture naturally. The combination of these three makes it possible to produce videos where your audience cannot tell whether you filmed them yourself or used AI. This is what makes the technology so powerful. Step 2a. Why create AI videos of yourself? You may be asking, why would anyone want to do this? The answer is simple: time, scalability, and consistency. Think about YouTube creators who spend hours filming, refilming, and editing. Think about teachers who have to record long online courses. Think about business professionals who need video presentations daily. With AI, you only need to create your avatar once, and it will work for you forever. Your AI self never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and can deliver messages in multiple languages instantly. This is why marketers, educators, influencers, and even CEOs are now turning to AI avatars to do the heavy lifting. Step 3. Preparing your base, a photo or video of yourself. The first step in creating an AI video that looks like you is capturing a base image or video of yourself. Depending on the platform you use, you may only need a high-quality headshot or a 1-minute recording of you speaking. Make sure your photo or video is clear, well-lit, and shot against a simple background. The more neutral and professional it looks, the better the AI can replicate your features. Think of this step as feeding the AI with your DNA. This is the foundation that the system will learn from, so it is worth doing it carefully. Step 4. Choosing the right AI platform. This is the most important step because not all AI video platforms are equal. Some specialize in realistic talking heads, while others allow full-body avatars. Here are a few powerful options. HeyGen, one of the most popular AI video generators that can create highly realistic avatars. DID, great for turning simple photos into talking avatars. Synthesia, widely used for corporate and educational videos. DeepBrain AI, excellent for natural gestures and professional-looking results. For beginners, HeyGen and DID are the easiest to start with. Both offer free trials, so you can test them without spending money. Step 5. Uploading and training your avatar. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is uploading your photo or video to train your avatar. Most platforms will guide you through this with simple instructions. For example, if you upload a headshot, the AI will map your face, learn your features, and create a moving, speaking version of you. If you upload a short video, the system will learn not only your face but also your expressions, making the avatar more lifelike. The training process usually takes a few minutes, but once it is done, you will officially have your digital twin ready. Step 6. Cloning your voice. Having a look-alike avatar is great, but if it does not sound like you, it loses authenticity. This is why voice cloning is a must. There are free and paid tools that let you clone your voice by recording a short sample, usually 1 to 2 minutes. Platforms like 11 Labs and Voice are excellent choices. Once you upload your recording, the AI learns your tone, accent, and style, creating a digital version of your voice. Now, when you type text, your AI avatar can speak it in your exact voice. This step takes the illusion to the next level because the audience hears you and sees you, even though you are not physically there. Step 7. Writing your script. Before generating your first AI video, you need a script. Remember, your avatar will only say what you write. Keep your sentences short, clear, and natural. If you you want your avatar to sound human, right the way you normally speak. You can also add instructions like pauses, emphasis, or tone shifts. Many platforms recognize punctuation as signals, so a comma can create a short pause while an exclamation point adds energy. The more natural your script is, the more authentic your AI video will feel. Step 80. Generating your first AI video. Now comes the exciting part. You upload your script, select your cloned voice, and hit generate. Within minutes, the platform will produce a video of your avatar speaking your words, complete with natural lip sync and gestures. The first time you see your AI self-speaking on screen, it feels surreal. It is like looking into a mirror and watching a future version of yourself. You realize immediately how powerful this tool is for creating content at scale. Step 9. Customizing backgrounds and styles. Most AI video platforms allow you to choose backgrounds, add branding, and even change clothing styles for your avatar. This is where creativity comes in. For a YouTube video, you might want a colorful studio background. For a corporate presentation, you may prefer a professional office setting. Some platforms even let you add your avatar into custom video clips, making it look like you are standing in real environments. This customization is what makes AI avatars flexible. You can adapt them to any purpose, from casual content, formal business communication. Step 10. Adding subtitles and effects. To make your AI video even more professional, you can add subtitles, transitions, and background music. Many platforms have these features built in, so you do not need external editing software. Subtitles help with accessibility and engagement, especially for viewers who watch with sound off. Music and transitions keep the video dynamic. These finishing touches make your AI video look polished and ready to share. By now, you probably understand the technical process, but let us talk about real-world uses. YouTubers, you can create daily videos without filming yourself. Your avatar does the work. Teachers, you can deliver online lessons once, and your avatar can explain them repeatedly to students. Businesses, company leaders can send personalized video messages at scale. Content marketers, one avatar can become the face of an entire brand across platforms. Travelers, even when you are away, your digital twin can keep creating content for your channel. The possibilities are almost endless, and everyday people are discovering new ways to apply this technology. As exciting as this is, you should know about the limitations. First, AI avatars are very realistic, but they are not perfect. Sometimes hand movements or fine facial expressions can look slightly robotic. Second, many platforms have limits on free plans, so you may need to upgrade for longer or higher resolution videos. Third, there are ethical considerations. Just because you can clone yourself does not mean you should use it in ways that confuse or mislead people. Always use your AI avatar responsibly. Looking ahead, AI avatars will only get better. Imagine live streaming where your AI self presents in real time. Imagine creating full movies starring your digital twin. We are heading toward a future where the line between real and digital selves becomes almost invisible. For content creators, this is a huge opportunity. Instead of working harder, you will work smarter by letting your AI double do the heavy lifting. So there you have it, step by step. You now know how to create AI videos that actually look like you. From capturing your base photo to training your avatar, cloning your voice, writing a script, and generating full videos, the process is easier than most people think. This technology is not just a gimmick. It is a powerful tool that can save you time, expand your reach, and allow you to create content at a scale that was impossible before. The question is, what will you do with your AI self? Will you use it for YouTube, online teaching, business, or maybe just for fun? The tools are here, and they are free to start with. The only limit is your imagination. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you plan to create. And remember, the future of content creation is already here. Your AI double is waiting. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, I've got some really useful links waiting for you in the description below. Check them out because they could make a big difference for you. And I want to hear from you too, so drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.